Hello there, how are you? We're so glad you could join us again.
Hey, I took a photo of us. Look!
Wow, that's a really nice photo, Agot. You have the eye of a photographer.
Yeah, it looks really nice, Ogot.
We all look good in that picture. Oh, I'm going to send this to Mama. You'll need to have a good caption for that. Right. Good thinking, Kathy. What should I write?
Well, just describe the photo. I think one sentence should do.
A sentence. Oh, I know. My friends and I.
My friends and I.
That's right. Let me type it. My friends and I. There.
But Agot, that is not a sentence.
It's not?
Nope. A sentence has a complete thought, which means it will tell you everything you need to know. My friends and I sounds more like a subject to me. There should be something that tells us about the subject.
Subject? What is a subject?
A subject is the topic in the sentence, or the doer of the action in the sentence.
Oh, I know. Why don't you type in love to sing? Sounds good. Love to sing. There. You can now send it to...
Wait. But, Kathy, that is also not a sentence.
It's not?
Nope. Love to sing is the predicate.
Pedicab?
Predicate. This tells us something about the subject. That can be an action or a description.
Oh, subject. Aha! How about my friends and I love to sing?
My friends and I love to sing. That's a sentence.
Yay!
It has a subject and a predicate.
So a sentence should have a doer and an action.
That's right, Kathy.
So what are you waiting for? Type in that sentence and send it to your mama.
Here we go. And send.
Yay! What about you? Why don't you take a photo with your friends and then send it to your parents? Make sure to put in a good sentence or two.